everyone, welcome to the Jayda and Stitches show. I've got a little news bite for you today. I am somewhat sorry to report that Spinrite Yarns will be closing its big factory in Listowel, Ontario. This factory has been there for 70 years and creates a lot of the yarns that we know and love, Bernat, Karen, among others. And this is also the place where they have the big tent sale every August, something you've probably heard about if you watch any of the Canadian yarny YouTubers or anybody really who's just gone there visiting and has had a chance to visit the big tent sale. They also do kind of a big, it's on their website. If you go to their website, they usually advertise it coming every August. Anyway, the plant is set to close January 25th. Now, the Spinrite manufacturing plant in Listowel isn't actually Canadian anymore. It was purchased by a couple of American firms back in 2018. And they have another 5 manufacturing plants, one in Toronto, I think, and then the rest of them are in the States. I think a couple are in the Carolinas somewhere. And they've decided to close the big one in Ontario. I'm really bummed about that because, yet again, this is another Canadian enterprise that was sold to an American company and is now being shut down. And there's 140 people about to lose their jobs. I mean, I know it's not on the scale of Joann's closing down, but this is a manufacturing plant and there are so few things still manufactured here at home in Canada and in the US, and I'm just really sorry that this is coming to an end. I'm actually angry about this, to be perfectly honest. Bernat is one of my favorite yarns. I buy a lot of Bernat. In fact, if you look at my shelves, you're probably going to see Lion Brand, Bernat, a little bit of Karen, and some Red Heart. And those are primarily the ones that I buy the most frequently. So I know they're not actually halting the manufacturing of any of these yarns. It's just that now they're not going to be manufactured close to home anymore. And that bums me out. That's one of the reasons that I bought a lot of Bernat yarns and Spinrite yarns, because it was made here. Yet another thing going by the wayside. I'm so sorry about this. All of the great, and I feel like too, this is all happening at a time when crafting has never been more successful, more exciting. There have never been this many people engaged with yarny activities, and to see all of these big changes happening in the economic world that relates to our craft, Joann's closing, now the Listowel factory going down, I just, like, what's happening? Is it mismanagement? What is going on? There are more people now knitting and crocheting probably than ever before, at least in the last few decades. I feel like there's been such a massive uptick. So where's it going? You know, what is going on? Why now? Why is this the time to close a factory that's been there for 70 years, weathering economic times, both good and bad? Why are they closing it now? I would like to know. Anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on this story as it unfolds. Like I said, the Listowel plant is going to be closed as of July the 25th. Now, they are saying they're going to keep the office there, and they're going to keep the distribution plant there, which is nice. So that means not everybody's going to lose their job, but they're not manufacturing there anymore. So they're going to manage Canadian distribution from that point. And I guess that's one bright mark, but I mean, no more tent sales. No more going to, they had a nice outlet store there too, where you could go in and do some shopping. And that was, I have to say, a main reason that a lot of people went to Listowel. So this is going to be a pretty big hit for the town of Listowel, excuse me, as well. North Perth, I think, is the area. Anyway, I'm going to link to the article in the description box down below if you want to give that a read yourself. And I'm going to keep an eye on the story as it unfolds. So, bummer. Another crafting bummer. Let's see if I can't find some happy crafty news to share with you all in a soon upcoming vlog. Anyway, stay safe, stay crafty as well you can, and maybe pop over to the Spinrite website and see if there's going to be any closing deals. Maybe with any luck, we'll be able to get some good deals on yarn as they close down the manufacturing plant, and more specifically, that outlet store. I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.
Hi, everybody. Mr. InStitches here. Thank you for watching today. Here are some of our other videos you might be interested in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.